In this video we're going to be putting the 3 best action cameras head to head to find out which one of them really does give us the best video quality. And the way we're going to find out which one really does give us the best video quality is down to you guys. Yes, we're going to do this as a blind test. I'm going to go to 10 locations and record 3 simultaneous clips with each of the action cameras. Now I'm going to call these clips camera 1, camera 2 and camera 3. Obviously you're not going to know which camera is which, and at the end I want you to comment below which video quality you think is the best. The cameras we're going to be using are the Insta360 1RS with its boost lens, the DJi Osmo Action 3, and finally the GoPro Hero 11 Black. So let's start with location 1 and see what you think is the best. So this is location 1 with camera 1. Now each clip is going to be between 10 and 20 seconds long, give you enough time to really take in the details. This is camera 2. And this is camera 3. Now we move on to location 2 with camera 1. Camera 2. And camera 3. So you can see how this is working. We're going to go to 10 different locations now. We're going to keep repeating the process of camera 1, camera 2 and camera 3. Location 3, camera 1. Camera 2. Camera 3. And like I say, after you've watched all 10 locations, please comment below which one you think gives out the best video footage. We'll have a quick break and have a look at how much each of these action cameras cost. The Insta360 1RS comes in at £249. The DJi Action 3 comes in at £349. And the GoPro Hero 11 comes in at a price of £449. Now what I also want to know is, do you think there's a £200 difference in the quality of video? Please let me know in the comments below. Anyway, back to location 4. Camera 1. Camera 2. Camera 3. Now if you're enjoying this type of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because all the content on this channel is all about how to improve your videos and camera equipment. Location 5. Camera 1. Camera 2. Camera 3. Location 6. Camera 1. Camera 2. Camera 3. Location 7, camera 1. Camera 2, Camera 3. We'll have a quick break before we show you the final 3 clips. Now each camera was recorded with the highest resolution possible in camera with stabilisation on. So the Insta360 we recorded at a resolution of 4K. With the Action 3 we used a resolution again of 4K. And the Hero 11 has a resolution of 5.3K downsampled to 4K for this video. Now if you're wondering why we didn't use 4K for the Hero 11, well, as you've seen in my previous videos, the 4K gives a overprocessed look and can skew with the results. Location 8, Camera 1. If you're wondering why we didn't record audio with the action cameras, this was solely about video quality. Camera 2. Camera 3. Location 9, Camera 1. Camera 2. Camera 3. And finally location 10. Camera 1. Camera 2. Camera 3. So you've watched all 10 locations now with all 3 cameras. What I want you to do is comment below which one you think has the best video quality, but more importantly, which one you prefer. Is it camera 1, camera 2 or camera 3? Now before I tell you which camera was which, I need a big favour from each and every one of you. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2023, and the only way I'm able to do that is with your help. So if you've got anything at all from this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification when I release my next video. So thank you very much if you're already a subscriber, and if you want to join our club, please hit that subscribe button. But now time for the results. So camera 1 was the GoPro Hero 11. And camera 2 was the Insta360 One RS. And of course camera 3 was the DJi Action 3. So let me know in the comments what you thought about these results. But like I said, if you want to see further content from myself, hit that subscribe button. But for now, that's it. We'll catch up in the next video. Oh, and whilst you're here, why not check out this video? But thank you very much for watching. We'll catch up soon.